Good day everyone. We are the Group 2 Keyboard and we are going to tackle about IT culture, trends, issues and challenges.
Information technology and society. It affects the life of people and changes the way of their learning, thinking and communication. It plays a major role in society and now it's very tough to imagine the life without technology. Both technology and society are correlated, co-dependent, co-influence with each other. Today, innovation and information technology are having wide-ranging effects across numerous domains of society, and policymakers are acting on issues involving economic productivity, intellectual property right, privacy protection, and affordability of an access to information.
Information technology has made the education process more effective and productive. It has increased the well-being of the students. Developed methods of education have made this process easier, such as the replacement of books with tablets and laptops. Technology affects almost every aspect of 21st century, from transport efficiency and safety to access to food and healthcare, socialization and productivity. The power of the internet enabled global communities to form and ideas and resources to be shared more easily. Internet of Things. The Internet of Things or IoT is becoming an increasingly growing topic of conversation both in the workplace and outside of it. It's a concept that not only has the potential to impact how we live, but also how we work. But what exactly is the Internet of Things and what impact is it going to have on you, if any? Light bulbs along with refrigerators, coffee makers, microwave ovens, baby monitors, security cameras, speakers, televisions, and thermostats have, in the past few decades, transformed from ordinary objects into conduits for the future, embedded with sensors that see, hear, and touch the world around them. They can turn physical information into digital data. Collectively, these devices, and there are billions of them around the world, make up the Internet of Things. Just about anything with network connectivity belongs to the Internet of Things, from security cameras and speakers to smartwatches and denim jackets. In the smart home, these internet-enabled gadgets liberate us from our chores, give us back some of our time, and add a dash of novelty to ordinary experiences. For example, Alexa, turn on the disc lights. But the Internet of Things is about more than just using your voice to preheat the oven or using your phone to turn off the lights. The real promise of the Internet of Things is making our physical surroundings accessible to our digital computers, putting sensors on everything in the world and translating it into a digital format. Internet-connected objects could be the key to unlock predictions about everything from consumer behavior to climate events. But those same objects could invite hackers into personal spaces and leak intimate data. Depending on who you ask, the grand Internet of Things either represents the promise of technology, the thing that will reinvent modern life as we know it, or that which will be our technological undoing. How does IoT works? An IoT ecosystem consists of web-enabled smart devices that use embedded systems, such as processors, sensors, and communication hardware, to collect, send, and act on data they acquire from their environments. IoT devices share the sensor data they collect by connecting to an IoT gateway or other edge device where data is either sent to the cloud to be analyzed or analyzed locally. Sometimes, these devices communicate with other related devices and act on the information they get from one another. The devices do most of the work without human intervention, although people can interact with the devices, for instance, to set them up, give them instructions, or access the data. The connectivity, networking, and communication protocols used with these web-enabled devices largely depend on the specific IoT applications deployed. IoT can also make use of artificial intelligence or AI and machine learning to aid in making data collecting processes easier and more dynamic. Why IoT is important? The Internet of Things helps people live and work smarter, as well as gain complete control over their lives. In addition to offering smart devices to automate homes, IoT is essential to business. IoT provides businesses with a real-time look into how their systems really work, delivering insights into everything from the performance of machines to supply chain and logistics operations.
Automation. Automation describes a wide range of technologies that reduce human intervention in processes, namely by predetermining decision criteria, sub-process relationships, and related actions, as well as embodying those predeterminations in machines. Automation has been achieved by various means, including mechanical, hydraulic, pneumatic, electrical, electronic devices, and computers, usually in combination. Complicated systems such as modern factories, airplanes, and ships typically use combinations of all of these techniques. The benefit of automation includes labor savings, reducing waste, savings in electricity cost, savings in material cost, and improvements to quality, accuracy, and precision. Automation is the use of technology to perform tasks with reduced human assistance. Automation includes the use of various equipment and control systems such as machinery, processes in factories, boilers, and heat treating ovens, switching on telephone networks, steering and stabilization of ships, aircraft, and other applications and vehicles with reduced human intervention. So automation can keep your process in industry, improve process control, and significantly reduce lead times compared to outsourcing or going overseas.
Automation can even produce more job opportunities for IT professionals trained in supporting, programming, and developing automated processes. Machine learning can enhance these automated processes for a continually developing system. Automated processes for the future will extend the groceries and other automatic payment method to streamline the consumer experience. Automation can even produce more job opportunities for IT professionals trained in supporting, programming, and developing automated processes. Machine learning can enhance these automated processes for a continually developing system. Automated processes for the future will extend the groceries and other automatic payment methods to streamline the consumer experience. Automation and other current trends in the IT industry is automated processes. Automated processes can collect information from vendors, consumer, and other documentation. Automated processes that check involves and other accounts payable aspects, expedite consumer interactions. Machine processes can automatically repetitive manual tasks rather than assigning them to employees. This increases organization-wide productivity, allowing employees to use their valuable time wisely rather than wasting it on tedious work.
Influence of IT on cultural and social behavior. Implementation of technology influences the values of society by changing expectations and realities. Overemphasizing technology has created lack of trust among people. Technology can also be blamed for unemployment, cultural lag, changes in social institutions. IT innovations enable a diversity of people applications. Some of them affect cultural and oral knowledge. In principle, the benefits of ICT make it possible to carry out new cultural practices. For example, the Internet gives people access to user-generated content and tools that can be used unaltered.
The Internet is bringing culture closer to more people, making it more easily and quickly accessible. It is also nurturing the rise of new forms of expression for an art, the spread of knowledge. Some would say, in fact, that the Internet is not just a technology, but a cultural artifact in its own right. How does IT have an impact on social change? It provides faster, newer and better ways for people to communicate, interact, gain information and access and learn that can gradually affects them as well as society.
Going to tackle about trends. So, trends. Current trends and emerging technologies. Information technology is an industry on the rise, and business structure, job growth, and emerging technology will all shift in the coming years. Current trends are improving and presenting new functions in fields like media, entertainment, business, education, marketing, law, enforcement, and more. Still, other much anticipated technology is only now coming on the scene. Innovations in IT change internal company processes, but they are also altering the way customers experience purchasing and support, not to mention basic practices in life like locking up your home, visiting the doctor, and storing files. So, current trends in information technology, the latest methods and the best practices of 2019 will primarily stem from current trends in information technology. Advancement in IT system relate to what the industry is leaning towards or disregarding now. Information technology is advancing so rapidly that new developments are quickly replacing current projections.
Emerging trends in information technology. Trends in information technology emerging in 2019 are new and innovative ways for the industry to grow. So, this movement in information technology are areas expected to generate revenue and increase demand for IT jobs. So, pay attention to these technological changes and unique. So, product that enhance business operations, artificial intelligence, and smart machines. So, what is artificial intelligence? Okay, according to Encyclopedia, artificial intelligence is the ability of a digital computer or compute control robot to perform tasks commonly associated with intelligent beings. 21. Okay, then virtual reality or VR. The use of computer modeling in simulations that enables a person to interact with an artificial three-dimensional 3D visual or other sensory environment. Then, augmented reality. Augmented reality is a more versatile and practical version of virtual reality, as it does not fully immerse an individuals in an experience. Augmented reality features interactive scenarios that enhance the real world with images and sounds that create an altered experience. So, blockchain data. Blockchain data, like the new cryptocurrency Bitcoin, is a secure method that will continue to grow in popularity and used in 2019. This system allows you to input additional data without changing, replacing, or deleting anything. In the influx of shared data system like cloud storage and resources, protecting original data with losing important information is crucial. Then, Internet of Things. The Internet of Things, IoT, is an emerging movement of products with integrated Wi-Fi and network connectivity, abilities cars, homes, appliances, and other products that can now connect to the Internet, making activities around the home and on the road an enhanced experience. Use of IoT allows people to turn on music hands-free with a simple command, or lock and unlock their doors even from a distance, or 5G. 5G is the fifth generation mobile network. It is a new global wireless standard after 1G, 2G, 3G, and 4G networks. 5G enables a new kind of network that is designed to connect virtually everyone and everything together, including machines, objects, and devices. So that's all.
Three classes of emerging tech are poised to transform every aspect of business in the next decade. Quantum technologies, potential intelligence, and ambient computing. These field notes from the future can give business leaders a strategic view of the decade ahead to help them engineer a technological forward future. The trends of society are the massive favor towards a particular truth, fashion, ideology, or market. This happens due to various factors like a stand taken by a political leader's repetition of unfortunate events, attack on the elements of society, or due an advertisement done via television or internet. There is no magic to a trend. It is especially steady curve of an event or an influence that has a potential to become a powerful change maker in society. Some trends reach a critical mass and become global drivers, whilst others remain a lesser influence operating smaller and more localized level.
So, issues and challenges. So, what are the issues and challenges of IT? So, the problem. The major barriers were lack of genuine software, inadequate computer in the classroom, low-speed internet, lack of motivation from both teacher and student side to use ICT, lack of proper training skills and availability of latest ICT equipment, lack of expert technical staff, poor administrative support, and poor course. The internet has changed the way we live. It has improved the way we communicate with people and how we share information. However, the internet can also cause problems, especially when it's not working as advertised or used as a tool for criminal acts. Filipinos are very familiar with such problems. So here are 6 examples to start with. So some are mundane while some are serious. So number 1, slow and expensive internet. Number 2, no 3G or 4G LTE coverage or connectivity. Number 4, Fair Usage Policy or FUP. Number 5, hacking. Number 6, cyberbullying and social media flagging and social media addiction.
That would be all, guys. I hope you've learned a lot from our topic.
House